little ladies? C'est moi, Kota. And welcome to another episode of Ma Qurantine Cooking Edition.
Hello. Yo. I have
So today we are making the famous internet-breaking viral whatever Dalgona Coffee. I already mixed it so it's not as fluffy as it was, but this shit is good. So Dalgona comes from the Korean street food candy, which is like a toffee little crepe looking thing or lollipop, I don't know. They do some stamps on them. It looks really good and is the same consistency looking than the coffee that you put in this thing, hence the name. But apparently before this went like super viral and was all over Instagram and Facebook and everything, it actually is a type of coffee that they do a lot in Eastern Asia. So it's nothing new and it's just come up to light to the rest of the world now, but it existed a while back. So I really wanted to try the Dalgona coffee for many reasons. First off, it like blew up the internet. I would see it everywhere. Being in quarantine also makes your coffee just being a really boring one, and I wanted to try something that made me feel like I had bought it somewhere with the illusion that there's an exterior world out there waiting for us. And also because in this quarantine I've been working a lot, making videos, editing some stuff, painting, doing the makeup, blah 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 blah. And I've been drinking a lot of coffee. I don't think I've ever had so much coffee in so little time. Like I'm at like 3-4 cups a day. I don't know, I'm obsessed. Like I'm even drinking coffee while making this video. This is how much coffee I've been drinking. So anyways, let's get to it! So the cool thing about this recipe is that it's the same parts for all of the ingredients. So 2 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of instant coffee, and 2 spoons of hot water. I've seen cold water, hot water in different videos, but we're trying hot water. So if you have a mixer or something, go ahead. I don't, so we're doing this by hand. Whoa, this smells good. This is a fucking workout. Woo! Boy, now we can see how it's already getting lighter. It's a little bit thicker. But, whew, damn, okay. Here we go. Ah! My whisk gave up. Whoa, this looks like caramel, man. Woo, this is so pretty. Oh my god, my arm is so tired. Oh my god, my arm. Oh my god. Don't get me wrong, this is beautiful. But it better be fucking worth it because woo, this is one intense ass workout. Oh my god, seriously, my arm, like, I don't know if I can keep on doing this. This looks like freaking toffee. Even just holding the whisk is already paining me. I can't do it with the left. Oh, maybe I can. It's insane how much I don't have as much control with my left arm. And I feel like a kid. Or that video of Prince's whatever in England's kid making, what is it, like cookie dough, and he's just like yeah. That's what it feels like right now.
2,000 years later.
Whee! Whoa. I think this is a pretty good consistency. I mean, it's like definitely holding up on its own. Look at this beauty though. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, let's try it. Whoa. Whoa, that's intense. Whew. But it's sticky. Like this is really like a coffee, toffee candy looking feeling thing. But it's gorgeous. I mean, look at those swirls. I've seen various ways of doing this, most of it being ice with milk. Personally, I prefer my coffee to be warm, especially right now that in Cuenca it's kind of chilly. But I'm still gonna try a baby version because I'm curious of how it's like. And the other one, I'm just gonna do it with some warm milk. Now, nice one of these. Go ahead, plop it in there. Oh my god. It's so thick! That's good for this one. Now I'm gonna go ahead with a teeny spoon. Oh, this is so creamy. It's insane, like you could feel it while putting the spoon in the drink. It's crazy. What, guys, like that feeling, I cannot express how satisfying it is. Look at them. They look so cute. Okay, so moment of truth. I first want to see how they mix, how it looks. It smells very strong though. Like, look at it! It has the streaks. Now, how does this taste like? Shit, that's sweet. It's very sweet. It's very creamy. A little too sweet for my taste, but I know that a lot of people would really dig that. Okay, now for the cold one. So this one seems to be a little bit lighter. I think I put less, which I think would be better. So I definitely recommend it cold because warm was just a little bit too weird for me. I don't know if it's because I put too much or just because it's too sweet for my taste. This seems a little less sweet. Maybe the cold as well has to do with that. I don't know, but it's really, really good. But this really does taste like some cafe drink. I definitely recommend it. I would actually put a little bit of vanilla in there, I think, because it does taste a little bit latte-ish, and the creaminess of it is just delicious, and it has a background caramel-like taste. So if you're into that, definitely try it. We're all coffee drinkers in this house. I'm gonna go see what they think about it. Prueba esto.
Está muy bueno y me gusta la untuosidad que tiene, es refrescante, está muy rico, de verdad que sí.
So if you're a coffee drinker, I definitely recommend doing this, especially in this quarantine time that we don't get to go to coffee places or for brunch. Man, I miss going to a coffee place. There's a place right next to my house, Mama's Cafe. I used to go there all the time. It's my little coffee. Have a life. So if you feel like drinking a coffee that's a little bit more intricate than the one from your coffee machine that we've been drinking every single day, definitely try this. What do you have to lose? Except for the workout it gives you, unless you have a mixer. You have time and you have taste buds. So try it. So you guys know the drill. Give me a little thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and write in the comments below any other recipes or things you'd like me to try out. Un beso.